December 3rd, Mayi and Mikel. Some vocabulary, let's say. Descalzo, barefoot. Barefoot. Estaba descalzo. I was barefoot. I was barefoot. Un charco, a puddle. A puddle. Nuez moscado, a moscada. Nutmeg, nutmeg. En ralladura de limón. Lemon zest, lemon zest. If you want to say hice unas prácticas for grammar more. I did an internship. I did an internship. Or you could say I was an intern. I was an intern when I started. Algo así. Seguí los pasos de mi padre. I followed my father's footsteps. I followed in my father's footsteps. And es importante que las personas encuentran su propio camino. It's important that people find their own way. It's important that people find their own way. Great. And then maybe last thing of grammar, if you want to say controlo mi trabajo, maybe instead say I'm good at my job. I'm good at my job, or I'm confident at my job. I know it well. I know it well. These are ways of saying that. And me gusta mi trabajo, me va bien. I like my job. It suits me. I like my job. It suits me. Or, yeah, it fits, it suits me. Muy bien.